Oh my god. It'll come back in like 2 seconds. I called that.
I don't know what to do.
Oh my god. Why is Pounce? Wow, he responds to his name. Pounce. Oh my god. We're losing its attention. It's like dancing. I hope Chili doesn't come down here because he's really gonna eat that cat. If you notice, he's not white. He's got stripes on him.
Come on. Let's go.
Did you just say let's go cuddle?
Oh, that's way too much. What's it, Pounce?
Oh, Pouncey.
Alright, let's go. Hang up on. Just follow me.
Floppy. Floopy.
Where'd he go? Where did he go? Oh. Pounce. Pounce. Pounce.
What are you doing to the poor animal?
Yeah. Come on. No. Let him explore.
Pounce!